how to unarchive highlights on Instagram. Follow this guide. To begin with, open the Instagram app on your phone. After that, click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner to access your profile. Next, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Now under the How You Use Instagram section, select Archive. Once you are in the Archive section, click on the highlights icon at the top. This will show all your archive highlights. Now if you want to bring a highlight back to your profile, simply press and hold on the highlight. Then from the menu that appears, choose Show on Profile. Lastly, a confirmation message will appear. Just confirm your action. Finally, go back to your profile and you will be able to see your highlight again. And that's it. This is how to unarchive highlights on Instagram.